It's I got no problem with that. Take you on a take it, the way I love it, the way you do it, baby, I get it, I really want it, the way you do it, turn it down, oh baby, turn it to midnight, I want to run it, I gotta have it, the way you do it, ready to go outside, the weight on my shoulder, I should do outside, I cannot stop. Who's got that truth? 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 I never gonna wake up, I can't do this, let it do it, ooh. Baby, I'll never go back, I'll let you come back, but you, every time you touch me, I say you love me, baby, I'll do better, I didn't want it, but it's you, ready to go outside, the weight on my shoulders, I should do right, I realize that I just who's got that trick? 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 Who's that one? Wow. It's again. It's fun. They don't have to they don't try to and it's hard it's for the go and it's hard to study this but I really try to understand my literature so this is yeah that's all it's like more than I love it just look at the way to and it's good and it's better if I get in my answer so they have to bring it to the work of the time what is in it it's in the literature so I'm gonna put in it they can say these two things and that's probably gonna be like what Christmas problem. Christmas problem. Ready to pull out, got the weight on my shoulder. I should be wiser and realize that I've got. I wanna stop touching. But when it's stop touching, but when it's stop touching, really bad, really bad. Thank you for watching guys this video on the cunning and you get the layout for the problem. Hello. Hey. Hi. This is my little boy. Hello. Hi. Say hey. Hi. My name. My name is Rhonda. How old are you guys? 3. 3. Yay! Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe below. Link below. Love that channel. Thank you.